I really believe strongly in games as a pathway to learning. They're not just things that people are wasting their time with. They do really interesting things to us as human beings. So in World of Warcraft, for example, rest is rewarded. You get points for resting. That might be something really important to tell a factory worker and have them experience and feel success with. You know, sometimes you can articulate and be someone in a game that you might not be able to be in real life. We also noticed that the women workers really enjoy helping each other. So there's an interesting aspect of multiplayer games that we hope to build out in future versions. As a learning tool, games just have higher engagement than the equivalent of me standing up here and telling you stuff or giving you a packet. There's just a more evocative environment to learn in. There's also less ambiguity about meaning. So in a game, you're told very clearly this is right and this is wrong. And from my experience, I had many teachers who, oh, that's an interesting take on that, but you didn't know whether you were way off or whether you were really onto something. So that's another nice aspect of games. And the last thing is just that failure is okay. For many of these workers, failure is not okay. Failure means an impact to their income, which is quite serious. So the stakes are really high for them, and a game offers them an opportunity to experiment.